making a difference. Together with our customers, delivering top performance for the project. Doing our very best, day after day. Our aim is our customers' success. That's why we're making scaffolding construction faster, simpler, and safer, which means more economical. The heart of our business is in Eibensbach. This is where we produce scaffolding systems. You can see right away what makes our scaffolding so special, and we've been doing this for decades. We make scaffolding, but we do not assemble it. If you work with us, we become part of your team, and you get all of our expertise. Together, we write success stories. We provide support, advice, training, and information with software and seminars, with special events, at trade fairs, on construction sites, or online, wherever we're needed. Our highly automated production facilities guarantee consistently high quality and lasting value. Layher scaffolding systems are a secure investment. As a family-owned company, we're always thinking of the future and are committed to sustainability. Where we work is where we live. We take care of the environment and our natural resources. Sustainability is the key to lasting success for all of us. Our brand is all about more possibilities, and every Layher customer can count on it. Layher has a matching solution for every requirement. Our advanced high-efficiency scaffolding systems are opening the way to more and more applications. For our customers, this means new opportunities for growth and chances to enter new fields of business. Layher scaffolding is fully functional even after years of use and can be combined with the latest generation of equipment, structurally and dimensionally integrated for sustainability and cost efficiency. Layher Access Solutions and Layher Construction Solutions offer further products and services for industry, the professional trades and the building sector. With Layher, you're in safe hands, and don't go halfway when it comes to safety. Everything with the name Layher on it has been checked and certified and has building authority approval. The Layher brand creates trust. It stands for expertise, reliability, quality, and safety. And your clients know this. That's a big advantage, especially when you want to gain new customers. High material availability and fast delivery. That's what Layher stands for. With a close-knit delivery network in Germany and a global presence through subsidiaries. The future in scaffolding construction is digital, and it's called Layher Sim. Save time and cut costs with planning and application software from Layher to make projects more efficient and more successful. Scaffolding is our business. And we put everything we have into it. To ensure that our customers build scaffolding that sets standards. In the years ahead, we'll continue to live up to our brand promise. More possibilities.